think we're getting ready to pull in to the little town of Cochem. And that might be the castle up on the hill that we're going to be going into. And here's the church. You can see. Let me get up closer. You can see it's overcast, but it's warm. Now the tour we're going on today is we're supposed to go up to a castle, and then we're supposed to walk in the old town, which has like cobblestone streets, and the houses tend to be made out of, what is that, honey, the wood?
They're the half-timbered houses.
Half-timbered houses. And here it's a good view of the castle up there. We're going to go up there and get to go inside, but we'll be taking a little van up to see it. So you'll see a lot of pictures from in there. And down on the town and just walk to. There's a view looking down from the castle, down at the river that we're parked on. Our boat is the furthest one to the right that you can see. There's another view looking down. After we're finished up here, we're going to go down into the town and walk around.
To sit, even though the chairs look promising, please don't have a seat. This is all very old inside, and as we are a museum, no seating and no touching the furniture and walls, and also no drinking inside. So if you have water with you, drink now. And their castles used to be kind of small buildings.
Lisa, turn.
So the castle is preserved. So they lost the Empire of Ireland here. And what they didn't do, I mean, they sold it, but still, this is a castle built by this family from Berlin. And carvings, so most of the furniture, the walls and the doors are beautiful wooden pictures, I would say, in an excellent quality. What is not medieval? Some things are clearly. Watch out, the chairs are fragile. So everyone in? Clearly tell by especially the wall painting. When you look at the side walls, you see, for example, two deers with a pretty little heart in between. See, between the doors there and above. So that is clearly created for ladies. No men.
Yeah.
There's a door there. Interesting. Pretty. Oh, still love it. Yeah, me too. But yeah, the hunting room with a lot of trophies. But I don't want to disappoint you. There's only one animal that is really living or lived in our good times are over. My doctor always says, no, you can't argue like that because our water now is you find the keyhole.
Oh, clever.
And it's not because everyone was drunk in medieval times. Some guides tell that it's a lie. It's really because it was so dark in medieval times.
Oh, interesting.
And maybe the one or the other was drunk.
For that door.
Iron and steel, and this is inside the wooden colors. Only iron and steel can hold up the immense weight of this wall. In medieval times, you must have looked different. You don't know how, but different. Beautiful. But, well, the room at the time of Ravenet was decorated. We are often asked about the paintings because some people recognize they are very famous painters like Rubens or Tizian. And then I always say, they're not. These are copies from original paintings. Why copies? Take a picture. Around. Everything like this was gone. Maybe they kept like the legs on, but not more. So now we will advance into the courtyard of the castle, and we can take off the mask there. To the courtyard and outside, take off your mask. Enjoying the holidays here, but I'm sure the employees didn't. Not at all.
How did they dig this well so deep?
We don't know, but it must have taken them very, very long time because what they had in medieval times was not steel and iron, as I just said. So. Over the wooden structure. You were let down there without a ladder or anything, down with the rope, sitting on the sheer rock, no bed, no toilet, no food. Flowers. See? Little flower ribbon there? That's the small patch that is left from a vast painting with beautiful flower ranks. And people thinking about a medieval fence castle, they think of everything but not of flowers. So especially little boys are very disappointed hearing that. Yes.
I like her house. Also, something else at the left-hand side, this is our Protestant church. We have been opening
Sunday.
That's pretty neat.
Plants.
You know, for a Catholic church, they don't have much.
No, it doesn't.
We could,
The sky looks worse than it really is. It's not, it hasn't rained or anything. It's not cold. Anything is hot. But this will wrap up our day in Cochem. So we had a good day. And hope you enjoyed it. Please make comments below, share, like, subscribe. Let me know. Bye. We're on the river out of Cochem, and I spotted this. Looks like an old castle or construction up there in the sky. But otherwise, there's the town we're going to. As you can see, it's got flags up there and part of the building. You never know when you're going to run across these things. And what interests me is the way they've got all the grape vineyards on the side of the hill. This is the other side of that structure.